Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we got the EZGO here, 48 volt intermittent running. Two things cause intermittent running on the EZGO 48 volt. Two of the simplest things to fix. One, charger lockout switch, all right? Dead giveaway for the charger lockout switch is when you put it in reverse and you don't hear that buzzer, then you know your charging port's bad. Bypass it. You can bypass it by watching one of my videos show you how to do it, or you can cut this wire here, and on the harness side, now this side here, you take it, tie it to your main positive. It will not affect nothing at all. Do not do like this guy here did, man. Take your water hose, spray your batteries off. You ain't gonna get shocked. It ain't gonna kill you. It's gonna help your card out, man. It's gonna stop the corrosion from sitting on the frame and rotting your frame out. All right, back to the topic. The second and the most common thing on the EZGO 48 volt for intermittent running is in the floorboard. All right, you have an ITS, which is an inductive throttle sensor. How you get to it, you take that up there, take them two bolts up, and it's under here, under the mat. Now, if you watch one of my videos, and I'll tag it in this video here, it shows you how to test every component on the 48 volt car, and it shows you how to test the ITS. If you have one intermittent running, man, replace your ITS. Check your voltage. You should get 2.9. Yes, according to the video, man, it'll show you. That's the two most common problems on the EZGO. This car right here, guy was driving, wife drove it down the road, 30 seconds, he quit. All right, now I'm gonna show you ITS here. Look at it here. I'll show you ITS. Intermittent running is not caused by the controller, though. Remember that. Not caused by the controller. Intermittent running, don't change controller, throw money away. That black thing there, that when you hit the gas, that's your itch right here, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. That's two of the most common things that cause intermittent running on the 48 volt cart. Always watching all my videos, and remember, hey, hey, hey.